Saves time having to clean them out, you put that in, saves a lot of mess. It's just a lot easier for people to use.
In my point of view, I think it's a very, very good product. My name's Tony, I'm a Groundworks foreman, I work for BCT and currently we're working on a new build housing estate. They're quite a good product. Obviously they keep your pipes clean, your pots clean, so it saves jetting, brushing, washing. So if there's any blockage, any rubbish down there, you pull it out, clean it out, put it back in. Save a lot of time, so eventually when they're all installed, there's any cleaning, so you pop the lid off, put them in, empty them out, pop them back in, job done. Instead of calling new guys in, jetting, blocking the roads, any obstructions, things like that. So in my point of view, very good product. It makes our lives easier, lots of for the general public. There's obstructions, things like that. It's going to stop any of that happening.
My name's Reece, I work for BCT Groundworks and I'm a ground worker on here. On here we're doing a new build estate, as you can see. Found out they were a great product and as you can see, they're getting used all over the place now. Saves time having to clean them out, you put that in, saves a lot of mess. It's just a lot easier for people to use. It's a brilliant idea to be honest, and it's glad someone's come out with it. I would 100% recommend them, as like I said, saves a lot of time and they're just a brilliant product to use.